Oh, there you go. Yes. That's a big top. Good boy. Can you grab that one? The toolbox!
Awesome! Oh, you're going to help Daddy put all the safety stuff on. Oh, thank you, Uncle Jack, Aunt Katie, Cousin Hannah.
Okay, we can get to this. Like, how do I get to it?
Oh, I'll help you, Daddy. Oh, hurry, Daddy! I kicked my feet in anticipation.
Oh, you?
I'll help you.
Where are those scissors?
There goes my feet.
Where are those scissors?